So may nagtanong sa atin, ano pong mas maganda sa OFW? Fit and well or yung life na may guaranteed investment? Sagutin natin yan. Okay, may nagtanong, ano daw ba yung mas maganda? Fit and well o yung insurance na may guaranteed investment? So let's break it down. Si Fit and Well, ang priorities niya, health and wellness. In short, the PDTR solutions, the preventions, diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitations. It covers 114 critical illnesses until age 100, may health rewards and living benefits, and may hospitalization and rehabilitation benefits. So if ang goal mo is health protection and critical illness coverage hanggang 100 years old, Fit and Well ang para sa'yo. Sa insurance naman na may guaranteed investment is lifetime passive income. Kasi taon-taon kang may marireceive na guaranteed cash benefit sa ika-6th year ng insurance plan mo hanggang sa ika-100 years old mo. Yearly dividends din ito, may guaranteed cash value and centenarian bonus. 200% yung life insurance coverage, tapos flexible pa yung payment terms at mode of payments. Kung ang goal mo naman ay passive income na lifetime hanggang age 100 na may guaranteed life insurance coverage, si Secure Income is for you. Pero kung gusto mo naman ng best of both worlds, pwede ka naman kumuha ng pareho, health protection at passive income, di ba? Kasi isang insurance lang ba dapat? Hindi, dahil iba-iba ang financial goals natin. Iba-iba rin ang insurance na kailangan natin. May insurance na for retirement fund, health protection, income protection, emergency fund, educational fund, estate transfer, at madami pang iba. Kumbaga, hindi lang isang insurance ang kailangan mo. Ang tamang tanong, ano ang uunahin mo based sa priorities mo? Kaya kung gusto mong malaman kung ano ang best insurance para sa'yo, click mo lang yung blue basket, lagay mo sa details yung priorities mo, tsaka yung birthday mo, or message mo lang ako para masimulan na natin yung insurance plan based sa priorities mo.